Now I want you to read pages 312 through 333 and answer questions 86, 88, 91, 93, 102, 109, 114, 119, and 120. Okay, let's discuss physics. Let's talk about the answers to questions 86, 88, 91, 93, 102, 109, 114, 119, and 120. Beginning on page 315. Question 86. Energy is, that would be choice 4, both 1 and 3. The ability to do work, and it's produced when forces are at work. That can be found on page 312. Question 88, kinetic energy is, that would be choice 2, energy due to the motion of the mass. That would be found on page 313. Question 91, energy can be transferred, that would be choice 4, through space by electromagnetic waves. Next page, question 93. In physics, work is done, choice 1, in lifting an object from the floor to the table. That can be found on page 314. Now let's try question 102 on page 319. Heat travels from the sun to the earth by a process called, that would be radiation, choice 5, can be found on 318. Now at the bottom of the page, question 105. Let's skip 105 and go to 109 on page 320. Which temperature scale designates the freezing point of water as 0 degrees? That would be choice 1, Celsius, found on page 318. Question 114 on page 321. A piece of metal will feel colder to the touch than a piece of wood at the same temperature. Why is this so? This question requires that you draw a conclusion from what you've read. And the logical choice is choice 3. Metal in general is a better heat conductor than wood. Now let's try question 119 on page 323. A wave does all of the above, so it would be choice 4. It carries energy from one place to another, it has a period, has a wavelength, therefore it would be choice 4, all of the above, found on page 322. And finally, question 120. The time needed for a wave to make one complete cycle is called the waves, that would be choice 5, period.